Okay friends, you can see here my brightness level is here. You can see that, and open your settings. Go to accessibility and go to display and text size. Then you can see reduce white point, and it is now on 34%. If you increase this one, or if you decrease this one, the screen will be brighter. But if you increase, you can get less brightness on your screen. So it is reduce all of white points. Okay, so it will be help you to get extra dim light of your display brightness. So you can use it as whenever you're using your iPad for reading stories on night, it will be give you the lesser display brightness. But in previous generation there is no much more dimming light supports, so it will be cause your eye problems. So don't try this, but there is an option, you can reduce the brightness while doing this one. Okay, that's guys very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.